Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, we will learn how to edit camera modes in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, open camera in your phone and click on more button. And here click on this edit symbol and you can hold and track to rearrange shooting modes. Okay, so if you would like to bring slow motion mode to main panel, just pick and track like this and release in the main mode. Okay, and click on done finally. So main mode will have extra slow motion option. See here, this is SLOMO, slow motion option. Okay, so if you would like to again you have to replace from main mode to sub mode. Yes, you can do it. What you have to do is again go to the more button here and click on this edit symbol, and here from main mode to sub mode, just hold and track like this. And here I have moved portrait from main area to main mode to sub mode here. Okay, click on done finally, and yes, see the result. So in this way you can easily edit camera modes in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.